New year, new embroidery machine. Welcome to the Mama Mel collection. I am an embroidery and sewing business here in Central Florida, and we are starting the new year off in a brand new office with a brand new embroidery machine. This is a single needle PooLin EOC06, and I am so excited to break it out of the box, add it to the collection, start sharing reviews, tutorials, all the things that go along with this machine, and go from there. Let's get this baby unboxed and start the new year off right. Okay, so we are actually going to be putting this machine over on this desk space, which is next to my Husqvarna single needle and in between my multi-needle. So we have all of our single needle threads down below, some fabric, and I will be able to store all of the supplies that I need for the PooLin right there. So let's get it going. She looks so cute. Let's look at everything that she came with. Quick start guide, instruction manual. Came with some spare parts, tweezers, scissors. Ooh, they're the curved embroidery scissors. A USB and a spare bobbin case. Plugins, some cutaway stabilizer. Some thread. This is the Richword thread, which is one of my favorite brands to work with. I use the Richword brand on all of my machines, and it is smooth and flawless. So we got some colors, some really pretty colors. A bunch of different sized needles. We have some bobbins. Sizes for these hoops look awesome. I'm so excited. So we have a smallish hoop, a medium hoop, and I love when a single needle comes with a large embroidery hoop, and this one does. So that's gonna be perfect for sweatshirts and applique designs. And then these also come with the grids, which I absolutely love for an embroidery hoop to help with centering. I am beyond excited to give this machine a try. But for now, we have it unboxed. We've taken everything out. I'm going to get it plugged in, and she is set up in the cutest spot in my office. Okay, we have unboxed our PooLin EOC06. This is a single needle embroidery machine. I'm so excited to add a new machine to the bunch. One, so that I can give you guys some more content. Two, so that I can add some variation and you guys can decide from multi-needle, single needle, which brand, hoop size, and I can just give you some more content to go off of. I'm excited to try it out, see what its strengths are, see what the differences are between my other machines and it, and so on and so on. So excited. It looks perfect in the new office, and I'm ready to start sharing. So we have it unboxed. I showed you everything that it came with. I'm going to have it listed here below. New videos to come with turning it on, using it, all the things. And I already have an idea in mind for what I want to embroider first. My son's about to lose his first 2 teeth, and so I'm going to make him a personalized tooth fairy pillow, and I think I'm gonna use this machine to do it. Yay, so fun. I hope everyone has a happy new year. I hope that you are following along on this journey and all things embroidery, sewing. Hit the subscribe button. Leave me any questions you have below, and have a wonderful, safe, happy, healthy new year.